Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've watched our videos we've got on the pondweed, removing it, we've done that for the last 3-4 years and it works good, but it's a back-breaking job. So this year we're going to try something different. We're going to chemically treat the pond. But one thing we were kind of worried about was having some cover in there for the fish, some structure and stuff from the hide in. So what we're going to do, we're going to make our own. Got a couple of plastic barrels here. And I've had these for years. They've been cleaned out. I've had water in them for watering the garden or stuff, different things over the years. So they are cleaned out. But we're going to take and drill a bunch of holes in these and put old scrap PVC pipe in them. So what we're going to do, we're going to drill holes, and I've got some Schedule 40 plumbing pipe, some old electrical conduit. So we're going to drill holes. And we're going to put, as many as we can get in there so it'll look like a big pin cushion. We'll do both these barrels. And then we'll also, with the hole saw, we'll drill some extra holes in the sides and the top. So the fish can actually go inside the barrels. The bigger pipe, the 3 and 4 inch, they could get inside of there. We'll get these built. We'll take them out on the kayaks and then drop them out in the pond. And it's going to be probably a few months before we treat it for pond weeds. So at least these will be in place. So we'll get started, see how they come out. Ready? Yep.
That kids game Kaplunk, kind of what it's like.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yeah, and these here, we've got some 3/4 inch pecks we're going to run through this 4 inch, put some pieces out here, give a little more structure. Okay, we've got the barrel sunk out there. Now this pond isn't very deep. It's probably only 5 feet at the deepest, but we've got a few 4 or 5 pound bass in there we've caught over the last several years, and we did stock it with some bass and bluegill, so there's fish in here. So hopefully this will help. We're going to try and round up some more barrels, make some more, and get those put in one day. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.